In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Payoneer account step by step. First, sign in to your Payoneer account and check for any alerts on the homepage. If Payoneer needs something from you, you'll usually see a request to complete verification or submit documents. In many cases, the next step is in the Verification Center, where Payoneer asks for the exact documents needed for your account review. Next, click your profile icon, go to Settings, and open the Verification Center. Here, I'd upload the documents Payoneer asks for, such as a government-issued ID, proof of address, or other business details. Payoneer says document requests can vary depending on your account and compliance requirements. Make sure your files are clear, valid, and not expired. If Payoneer asks for visual identity verification, you may need to upload your ID and a selfie photo through their identity check process. Also, keep your phone number active, because Payoneer uses two-step verification and may send security codes during sign-in or account actions. After you submit everything, wait for Payoneer to review the documents and watch for updates in your account or email. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.